Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Today we're following the Stony Valley Rail Trail. Here's one of the oddest burrows I ever saw in my life. It's on the top of a tree. It kind of looks like two porcupines wrapped around a tree, and there's an arrow stuck in it. Let's take a look at this. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Here's the burrow. Here's the burrow up there. There's a lot of light up there. The arrow's sticking in over here. It almost looks like a porcupine wrapped around the top of the tree, but it's not. A burrow is an injury to the tree. Something damaged the bark, or the cambium layer, which is underneath of the bark, which transfers fluid and nutrients to the top of the tree. And the tree will actually grow around that. There's our strange find for the day. Give this video a like. Helps other people see it. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Goose.